G'day team, Adam here from Restore Native Plant Nursery. With me I've got the Harakeke or the swamp flax. So look, awesome, really well known plant, just totally cool. If you want to see birds out in your plantings, swamp flax grows really fast. It attracts those tui with those big vertical flower heads. And if you watch my video about mountain flax, you'll notice that there's a difference between them, and that the mountain flax has droopier leaves and seed heads out to the side, or flower heads out to the side, whereas the swamp flax has those big vertical flowers that we know, and it grows really tall. It grows to around about 3 meters tall and about the same width, and that's where it can run into a bit of trouble with some people. People see it as a swamp plant, obviously it's swamp flax, and it really does have a home in those wetlands and those wet areas. But the mistakes that can be made is popping flaxes in right alongside your drains, or in narrow fenced areas, or right along waterways. When they sit on waterways, they can often get washed and eroded out of the bank, and you get this big clump of flax going down in floodwaters and blowing out culverts and causing a whole lot of damage. That's just not the home for flaxes, and what you want in those spaces right on the water's edge are carex grasses. So check out our videos on carex grasses to learn a bit more about them. But the swamp flax's home is away from flowing water but still in those wet areas, so back from the drain a little bit, and it'll just do an awesome job of colonising quickly. It's hardy as anything, food for birds, and it's just an outstanding thing to have. The other complaint we get about a little bit is that it grows over top of fences. So look, real simple one. It's not a great one for those thin margin riparian strips, but it is just awesome in wetlands. So we make sure if it's planted right, it is just an absolute must have and a great kiwi plant.